Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation of the last two videos. This is part 3 of my Robinhood portfolio review for the first week of November 2024. Let's get right into it. Portfolio, and I made around 5 grand off the stock when it initially made it initially took the rocket to the moon, right? Little review on Tesla, right? So the stock is up $73 since the election. Elon Musk and Trump are buddies. They seem really close, and throughout the next 4 years, I expect the stock to do really well. Currently, I own 0 shares of the stock. However, I am running credit spreads. On the stock. This is the current credit spread I have open. It expires on April 17, 2025, and the average credit I got for this specific contract is $210. When I took the screenshot, I was up around 30%, $63, and I expect this contract to turn out really well in the next couple months. Speaking of Tesla, Robinhood also had a little Morningstar report on it, so let's go ahead and look through that report really quickly. I had some stuff I wanted to go over with you guys. Alright, so here we have the report on Tesla. Naturally, the stock is overvalued. Again, this is just what the analysts are saying. I don't necessarily base my future prediction on the price off the overvalued, undervalued chart, but currently the stock is overvalued according to analysts, right? The fair value of the stock is 210. And the price of the stock at the time of this report was $251. So here they mention that Trump election may solidify a near-term Tesla U.S. EV leadership, and they also address the increase in share based on the election, the outcome of the election. So Tesla shares were up 12% at the time of writing on the news that Donald Trump was elected to become the next U.S. president. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has campaigned for Trump and may serve as an advisor to Trump during his second term as president. While Tesla could benefit during a Trump presidency, we're maintaining our 210 fair value estimate and narrow moat rating. At current prices, we view Tesla shares as overvalued, with the stock trading more than 30% above our fair value. As of today, November 11th, the stock is way more than 30% above its fair value, according to this report. Additionally, we think Trump would continue to enact tariffs to effectively keep lower price Chinese EVs out of the U.S. market. This positions Tesla to maintain its market leadership position in the U.S. Additionally, Musk may be able to advise on U.S. federal autonomous driving regulations. These are all important news because Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla, and if he's able to advise on U.S. federal autonomous driving regulations, he's obviously going to do most of that in favor of Tesla, and naturally the stock price will go up. Moving on to my second point, or my other point, Tesla also invests around 4% of its sales in research and development, focusing on improving its market-leading technology and reducing manufacturing costs. So naturally, the company has been trying to improve itself. A big part of Tesla is also their data that they've gained through the cars that are already out there. On top of that, they're looking to make their the car making process more efficient, reducing their costs. All of that will play a part in making that company earn more revenue. Tesla is attempting to take a larger share of its customers' auto-related spending, which includes selling autonomous driving software, insurance, and charging. Moving on to what the bulls have to say. So Tesla has the potential to disrupt the automotive and power generation industries with its technology for EVs, AVs, batteries, and solar generation systems. Tesla will see higher profit margins as as it reduces unit production costs over the next several years. Tesla's full self-driving software should generate growing profits in the coming years as the technology continues to improve, leading to increased adoption by Tesla drivers and licensing from other auto manufacturers. Bears say that traditional automakers and new entrants are investing heavily in EV development, which will result in Tesla seeing a deceleration in sales growth and being forced to cut prices due to increased competition, eroding profit margins. While this may be true, Tesla has been doing this for a number of years now, and any new EV automakers or older companies trying to get into the EV market will have to pretty much how do I say this? Pay Tesla? They don't have to pay Tesla, but I guess they do for like data and stuff. Maybe, I'm not too sure on that, but Tesla is the leader of the EV market at the moment, at least in the U.S. Tesla's reliance on batteries made in China for its lower priced Model 3 vehicles will hurt sales as these autos do not qualify for U.S. subsidies. That might be a problem, but we'll see how Elon goes around that problem. I'm pretty sure he has something already in mind, but we'll see. Tesla's energy generation and storage business will see increased competition from battery producers who are willing to take lower profits to win market share. I don't really know what to say, but Tesla has always been a stock that, as long as the people believe in it, it will just keep going up, man. I looked at the competitors for Tesla. The only one really listed on Robinhood is Ford. So if you want to try to buy into that stock and make that $9 difference between the fair value and last close, that's up to you. I'm not really looking to get into Ford. It's done poorly for me in the past, so that's I'll leave that up to you guys. Anyways, back to the slideshow. Let's move on. This video is getting quite long. BigBearAI. BigBearAI. So initially, well, let's explain what BigBearAI is, first and foremost, right? What do they do? So BigBearAI operationalizes artificial intelligence and machine learning at scale through its end-to-end data analytics platform. So initially, I bought 45 additional shares of this stock, which I sold out of today, right? Market opened today, November 11th, and I sold out of the stock. Right here, I have a little research on why I did that, but to keep it short and simple, look, Big Bear is pretty much doing what Palantir is already doing. I don't see Big Bear really in a niche with the AI stuff, so I just sold out of that stock. Granted, I was up around 6%, which is like $10. So instead of selling at a loss, I just sold out where I was. SoundHoundAI. Now this stock in the last week is up. I'm up 50% on the stock, right? Which is around $292. So SoundHoundAI, right? It engages in the development, owning, and commercialization of voice, sound, and natural language artificial intelligence technologies and related activities. That's a pretty niche in the AI realm, at least from what I've seen. Now this is the advanced chart on Robinhood, if you have Robinhood Gold. So right now it's back at the same price that it was at the beginning of the year in March. If anyone's looking into any day trading, there might be some patterns here that it will continue to follow. But I'm not selling out of the stock because I genuinely believe that the stock will keep going up in the upcoming years, right? So we have some news here. So again, SoundHound has incredible potential to move upwards, especially with their artificial voice applications. NVIDIA also purchased 1.73 million shares of the company, which provided a boost to the stock. However, I won't be adding any additional shares to my portfolio until after their earnings report on November 12th, because right before the EPS report, the stock does get a little volatile, and I also want to see how much they're really making, what's going on really with SoundHoundAI. Right here, I have screenshots of some news. Again, they have a great potential with the automotive industry, but also if they get into the phone, um, the smartphone industry, that will be a big plus for them. Moving on, Nerdy. This is another AI stock, right? Let's explain what this stock does. So the firm is also involved in providing a purpose-built proprietary platform that leverages technology, including artificial intelligence, to connect students, users, parents, guardians, and purchasers of all ages to tutors, instructors, subject matter experts, educators, and other professionals, delivering superior value on both sides of the network. So Nerdy is pretty much a penny stock, right? It's under a dollar. To me, that's a penny stock, but it does also have a niche in the AI market. So I will be looking to add more of this stock. Pretty much just waiting to see where it's headed. Really, I'm not looking to put too much. Probably get like 100 shares, 150 shares, and let it ride out. Again, I'm bullish on the stock due to their unique position within the AI market. They also beat their EPS by 10 cents. That's a pretty big. That's pretty big, right? But being a penny stock, it's definitely a high risk stock at the moment. But I'm also looking to add another 50 shares and see where this stock goes. Here's some news on Nerdy. So, like I said, or like the description said, they're a learning AI, right? They're a learning form of AI, and as you can see from the news here, they're getting contracts with a lot of schools. A lot of schools. We have Harbor Science, North Point, McAllister, all these charter schools and stuff. They're starting to get their program, and we'll see where the stock goes. I am still bullish on the stock, not selling out anytime soon, just because of their niche position within the AI space. All right, guys. So before we end the video, I'd like to show a live recording of my actual account. So within the last week, right? Let's go from November 5th. I was sitting at $6,000. I broke $7,000 November 5th, and over the last week, I also broke $8,000 within my portfolio. Right now, the date is November 11th, 2024. I had sold out of BigBearAI. I sold all 100 shares of that, and I have $375 in my account, and I'm sitting at $9,000. So within the last week, I broke $7,000, $8,000, and $9,000. This is a pretty big thing for my small portfolio. Hopefully soon we'll be hitting double digits, but like I said, this is just a live recording of my portfolio to show where I'm at, and to prove to you guys that everything I'm saying is true. That will be the end of this video, though. It is a pretty long video, but it has a lot of valuable information. At least I think so. Remember to like, subscribe, comment any questions you have, and again, appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you learned something, but stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.